Everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can get Snapchat Plus on Snapchat. It's pretty easy and we're going to show you how you can do it. So basically Snapchat Plus is a bunch of different features that you can get additionally on the normal features that you get on Snapchat. Something like custom app or customizability, you get badges, you can rewatch stories and stuff. I'm going to show you all the features that you can see. Basically, how you can activate it for free actually is that you're going to go onto Snapchat. From Snapchat, you're going to navigate to the top left corner on your Bitmoji. Now, from your Bitmoji, anything that is lined up with a gold, like a gold outline or a gold box, basically, you're going to click on it. Okay. Once you click on it, you can find all, as you can see, Snapchat Plus, all the features that you're going to get additionally once you subscribe to Snapchat Plus. Okay, so what you do is that you're going to click on next, and as you can see, there are plans that you can have. Okay, those plans basically, once you subscribe, you get for the first free week, and then the rest you're going to get charged for it. So what you're going to do is actually you're going to click on start free trial, and then you're going just to say subscribe. It's not going to subtract any money from or withdraw any money from your bank account. But it's just not going to. But once the first week is finished, then it's going to start withdrawing money. So what we're going to do is we're going to subscribe, have fun with Snapchat Plus for the first week, and then after that we can see if I want to subscribe for it or not. So this is basically how you can get Snapchat Plus, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.